pinakamarami. 6 million.
Sobrang dami, kakapugin nila ang Meso Hotel. Sobrang dami, abangan nyo to.
Meso is shaking.
Kaabang-abang talaga na mga student ko.
Grabe.
You know what, Teacher Jaja? Forward. When I met them, sobrang ingay nila. Nabibing ako sa ingay. Nagabaliktaran ko yun, sobrang tatahimik ko nila. Come here. Here. And then, this little kid, sobrang nakita ko siya sa class ni Teacher Jaja. I go, Kazan, you want to try my class? I'm sure, walang sabi-sabi, go. Go for it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try, get to know them.
Yes, okay. Let's just say your name. Say hi to everyone.
Hi everyone, I'm Zuri. Good evening everyone, my name is Zainan. Hi everyone, my name is Bella. Hi everyone, my name is Elijah. Hi everyone, my name is Ari. Hello everyone, I'm Juliana. Hello everyone, my name is Kizel.
Hello everyone! Grabe! Ngayon ko lang kayo narinig na ganyan ka-energetic ha. I'm so proud of you. Ngayon pa lang.
Yes, ngayon pala lumabas ang energy nila.
Yes!
Teacher Jaya.
Ganyang energy ang kailangan natin sa performance na ito. Yes! Na nararamdaman ko kasing kabado sila. Pero dahil sa mga palakpak nyo, magiging ang kanilang mga katawan para sa pagsasaya. Okay! I'm sure everyone wants to try something new.
Yes, and dancehall is really something new to everyone because you know some of the kids right now they only dance hip hop, K-pop, TikTok. But you know if you go to Teacher Jelai's class, it's gonna be something new for you. And it's Teacher Jelai is really good at teaching. Yeah, she's my teacher. She's my teacher.
Yes,
Before I became a
absolutely.
teacher, she's my mentor. Yeah.
Nakuya mga estudyante ko before. Okay, may naglakihan na sila. And just for the record, meron ako nakausap na parent dito, I think yesterday, na hindi nila alam na pwedeng magdalawang class. Pwede niyo pong gawin yun para napatry din ng mga anak niya yung iba't ibang genre ng sayaw. Yes, like Ezel, nasa kids class siya, and then nasa dancehall siya. So parang meron silang dalawang performance. Anyway, let's start this.
Yeah.